Grill a steak, mastering the art of cooking and language. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very appetizing phrase, grill a steak. Not only will this help you understand a common cooking method, but it's also a great way to enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. Grill a steak is a phrase that combines a cooking method, grill, with a food item, steak. Grilling is a popular way of cooking food over direct heat, often on a metal grate. A steak, on the other hand, is a thick slice of meat, usually beef, cooked by grilling. This section will delve into the meaning of each word, helping you understand how they come together in this phrase. Grilling a steak involves several steps: choosing the right cut of meat, seasoning, and the actual grilling process. We'll explore each step in detail, focusing on the language used to describe these actions. For instance, words like marinate, sear, and flip are commonly used in this context. Understanding these terms will not only improve your English but also your culinary skills. In many English-speaking countries, grilling is a popular outdoor activity, especially during warm weather. Grill a steak is a phrase you might hear in casual conversations, cooking shows, or when reading recipes. This section will focus on how the phrase is used in different contexts, enhancing your understanding of English in real-life situations. Let's put our learning into practice. We'll go through a fun exercise where you'll use the phrase, grill a steak, in sentences. This practical application will help solidify your understanding and give you confidence in using the phrase in your conversations. And that's a wrap on Grill a Steak. We hope this video has been both informative and enjoyable, giving you insights into English language and cooking. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be grilling both steaks and English phrases with ease. See you in our next video.